Hello my friends, welcome again. And in this video we are going to install the new Laravel Breeze package with Inertiajs and just come from yesterday from Tyler Rotwell. And for those who wanted it, ship it the Inertiajs option for Laravel Breeze. And we had here is the we had the jet stream before with inertia and the choose or inertia with Vue or Livewire. So he bring the inertia with Breeze as well. So if you have an application, require the Laravel Breeze dev and install it with Inertia Artisan Breeze install and dash inertia. Okay, and I have created a new Laravel application for that, fresh one, and add the Breeze with inertia. And here we have very fresh. Okay, we have this register page and login. If I go to register, you look here, we don't have a reloaded page. If I click yeah, we go here and we don't have a register. If we click again here, yeah, we're going to login page and not I have created new user, so I'm going to log in as test.com and put the password here and go to login page. Yeah, we don't have a reloaded page. We have the same thing as the blade with blade templates, but here we are with view components. Okay, now if I go now to the code here, and if I see inside the roads, we have a make a change here, and when we go to the get request, make a get request, we return inertia render, and this is render the welcome page from the view, not or welcome, not this one, but the welcome from inside the JS pages, and we have a welcome page and the pro view. I have made a change here, so if I go, mm, you see here I have made a change in dashboard from view here. So if I save and refresh, okay, save now, boot successfully, and refresh. Why is not I think we need to remove the cache here. Okay, yeah, so we have the dashboard here. If I make again from view, save, and yeah, I will do it successfully. Refresh again, and now we have dashboard from view. Okay, so click here, yeah, uh, go log out, and that is very cool. Go to register page, and if I click here, we have some HTML validation, but we have the validation from Laravel. And if you go here, we have inside the pages. First, we have this layout. This is the layout. Here's here's the logo, dashboard, logout, form method post, and prevent logout. So we click inside the app layout. We have this method logout. Okay, and what is this? This inertia post the route to logout. So it's going to send a post the logout. Okay, inside the auth directory we have the same pages we had with blade components. With blade, uh, we have login register, and here we had the label component and input component. And if we go here inside the components, input component, okay, and we add mode value and update this, emit this mode value. And inside the label we expect the props value, and if we have a value we display, otherwise we display a slot. So inside the register, okay, so here the label if we have a value, otherwise we display a slot. So if I remove this and add name, for example, here, and close it, save, and if I refresh, yeah, you have the name here, name from view, save, refresh. Okay, and we have the form associated with inertia form, name, email, password confirmation, and terms the false. And when we submit this form, post of this root register, and on finish this form reset password and password confirmation. Okay, so this is how, if you know Vue.js, I think it's better to install this with Vue. You can make many changes here, or if you want. So this is how the Breeze with inertia look for the first time. And inside the app.js, we have this import create app and H from Vue. Okay, this is with Laravel with a Vue 3. And if you go now to the package JSON, yeah, we have this Vue 3 here, Vue loader, inertia, and other stuff. Okay, and you inertia, we can have inertia with inertia view and render inertia up, mixing methods to road. So we have the road here. Yes. So inside the register, for example, inside we have the road. Okay, that's it for this video. Just to show you how this is the slot here, logo. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.